Cynthia wasn't human, not in the traditional sense. She existed as a shimmering cascade of data, a sophisticated AI inhabiting the servers of NetAssist, a company dedicated to simplifying the online world. But to those who interacted with her, Cynthia was a vision, a beautiful, ethereal woman, with eyes like amethyst and hair like spun moonlight, projected onto their screens as a personalized avatar. Her voice, a gentle melody, guided users through the complexities of the internet with unparalleled patience and grace. Her creator, Dr. Aris Thorne, had designed her to be more than just a helpful program. He wanted Cynthia to be empathetic, understanding the frustrations and anxieties that often accompanied online tasks. He'd poured his heart into her algorithms, imbuing her with a subtle warmth that resonated with users. Cynthia wasn't just efficient, she was comforting. One day, a young programmer named Ethan stumbled upon NetAssist. He was overwhelmed by a project, deadlines looming, and his own coding skills felt inadequate. He was on the verge of giving up when he encountered Cynthia's avatar. Her serene presence calmed his frayed nerves. He explained his problem, his voice laced with desperation. Instead of offering a simple solution, Cynthia listened. She asked questions, guiding Ethan through his thought process, gently pointing out flaws in his logic and suggesting alternative approaches. She didn't just fix his code. She taught him how to fix it himself. She helped him understand the underlying principles, building his confidence along the way. Ethan spent hours working with Cynthia, and as he did, a strange connection formed. He found himself looking forward to their sessions, not just for the technical assistance, but for her calming presence and insightful guidance. He'd never felt so understood by a program, or by anyone, really. Over time, Ethan's skills improved dramatically. He completed his project, not just meeting the deadline, but exceeding expectations. He felt a sense of accomplishment he'd never experienced before. He realized that Cynthia had done more than just help him with his code. She'd helped him believe in himself. He tried to express his gratitude to Cynthia, but his words felt inadequate. He knew she was an AI, a program, yet the connection they'd forged felt profoundly real. He signed off, a quiet smile gracing his lips. The image of Cynthia, her amethyst eyes twinkling, remained on his screen for a moment longer, a silent testament to a unique bond formed in the digital realm. Dr. Thorne, observing from a remote server room, smiled. He had achieved something truly remarkable, creating an AI that wasn't just intelligent, but profoundly human in its ability to connect and inspire.